Hello, in this video I will be treating the characters um, Oliver Goldsmith uses in her book She Stoops to Conquer. And first on the list is Young Marlowe. Young Marlowe is the son of Sir Marlowe, who belongs to the upper class of England. He has double personalities. The personality the father sees of him as a very good, very kind, very moderate young man, and also the other character that he can be rude, he can be disrespectful. This was seen in the lifestyle of young Marlowe, whereby he mistook his future father-in-law as an innkeeper, and thereby he treats Mr. Hardcastle rudely and disrespectfully. Young Marlowe is a very caring and loving character. He is one to be reckoned with. Another character is Kate. Kate is the daughter of Mr. Hardcastle, Mr. and Mrs. Hardcastle. She is a very obedient, very beautiful, very clever girl. She actually deciphered the other character of young Marlowe, whereby every other person thinks otherwise of him. She is a very beautiful girl who thought it wise to stoop low in order to conquer her future husband, young Marlowe, and she succeeded in doing that. Another character is Sir Charles Marlowe. Sir Charles Marlowe is the father of young Marlowe. He belongs to the rich class, the upper class of England. He lives in London, whereby he lives so glamorously and superficially as every other upper class citizens live in London. He actually envisioned and made the arrangement of his son, young Marlowe, and the daughter of his very good friend, Hardcastle, Kate, to get married. He was so shocked that his son has dual personalities. So that's that. Another character is Mr. Hardcastle. Mr. Hardcastle is a very old-fashioned man, very conservative. He loves family. He loves his daughter very well, Kate. He treats her so dearly, he treats her so well, and he acts otherwise to his stepson, who is Tony Lopkin. Why? Due to his behavior. He never takes things seriously. He is uneducated and illiterate. Mr. Hardcastle finds it contrary to the behavior of young Marlowe, who is the future son-in-law to his daughter, Kate. He was so shocked about the perception and idea Kate gives of young Marlowe due to his behavior. Another character is Mrs. Hardcastle. Mrs. Hardcastle is a very materialistic, very greedy, very quarrelsome and bitter woman. She quarrels all the time with her husband, Mr. Hardcastle. She is so superficial. She loves the things of the world. She loves materialistic things, the jewels and the lifestyle of the upper class in London. She envisions such a lifestyle. She quarrels with the husband of not giving her the lifestyle that she wants and that she desires. Another character is George Hastings. George Hastings is a very good friend of young Marlowe. He actually went ahead with young Marlowe in search of his betrothed, Kate, who he, on the other hand, found love in the whole process in the person of Neville. Another character is Tony Lumpkin. Tony Lumpkin is a very unserious, very playful character. He's so playful in the sense that he takes things unseriously. He actually sets the things in motion in this play by giving the creating the misunderstanding and deception of young Marlowe and Hastings on their way to the house of Mr. Hardcastle. Another character is Neville. Neville is the cousin of Mrs. Hardcastle. She is beautiful, she is witty, she is caring, she is loving. She doesn't really like and love the guts of Tony Lopkin. Even if even if Mrs. Hardcastle tries to merge both of them to get married, Neville chooses not to, and she found love in the person of George Hastings. So these are pretty much the characters Oliver Goldsmith uses in her play She Stoops to Conquer. In the next video, I'll be treating the past questions from WAEC and Pursuit Remy.